Welcome back to Auto Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're looking at something truly futuristic. The 2025 Mycelium Car, a vehicle that redefines sustainability and eco-friendly transportation. Unlike anything seen before, this car is built using mycelium, a type of fungal root system that is lightweight, biodegradable, and incredibly strong. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mycelium Car boasts a futuristic yet organic design. The body panels are crafted from mycelium-based biocomposite materials, giving it a smooth, flowing structure that seamlessly blends nature with advanced technology. The outer shell isn't just durable, it's also self-repairing to some extent. Thanks to bioengineered properties, small cracks and damages can regenerate over time, reducing maintenance costs and extending the car's lifespan. The vehicle's aerodynamics are fine-tuned for maximum efficiency, with a sleek, curvilinear shape that enhances airflow and minimizes drag. At the front, the LED lighting system is integrated into the biopanel structure, offering a seamless, futuristic glow. The wheels are composed of sustainable natural rubber and biodegradable alloys, ensuring that even the smallest details align with its eco-conscious mission. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Mycelium Car is powered by an advanced, solid-state electric battery, delivering impressive efficiency with an extended range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. The lightweight nature of mycelium construction reduces the overall weight, improving energy consumption and acceleration. This car is equipped with dual electric motors, providing instant torque and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds, making it both sustainable and thrilling to drive. With an intelligent regenerative braking system, energy is recovered efficiently, further enhancing battery life. The suspension system is designed to adapt dynamically to different terrains, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising through the city or navigating rougher landscapes. Moving inside, the interior is just as revolutionary as the exterior. The seats and dashboard are constructed from organic, plant-based materials, including mycelium leather alternatives that are soft, durable, and completely biodegradable. The cabin is spacious, with minimalist design elements that emphasize sustainability without compromising luxury. A holographic infotainment system replaces traditional screens, reducing electronic waste, while offering an interactive and immersive experience. The AI-driven assistant controls climate, navigation, and entertainment, ensuring maximum convenience. Air quality is also a priority in this car, with a natural air purification system that uses mycelium's filtering properties to remove toxins and pollutants, creating a cleaner cabin environment. The 2025 Mycelium Car isn't just a step forward in automotive design. It's a complete reimagining of how vehicles can exist in harmony with nature. With zero emissions, renewable materials, and cutting-edge technology, this car is setting the stage for the future of sustainable mobility. Would you drive a vehicle made from fungi? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more groundbreaking car reviews, only on Auto Reviews.